What is a plant-based diet? A plant-based diet is a type of diet that emphasizes whole, minimally processed plant foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. This diet minimizes the consumption of animal products, processed foods, and added sugars. Foods to include. To follow a plant-based diet, focus on consuming a variety of nutrient-dense plant foods, such as fruits and vegetables. Aim to include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your meals to ensure you are getting a wide range of nutrients. Whole grains. Choose whole grain breads, pasta, rice, and other staple foods over their refined counterparts. Legumes. Lentils, chickpeas, beans, and other legumes are a great source of protein, fiber, and other essential nutrients. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, and can be a great addition to meals or snacks. Foods to limit. To maximize the health benefits of a plant-based diet, limit or avoid the following foods. Animal products. This includes meat, poultry, fish, dairy, and eggs. Processed foods. Avoid pre-packaged and processed foods that are high in added sugars, salt, and unhealthy fats. Added sugars. Limit the amount of added sugars in your diet, such as those found in soft drinks, baked goods, and sweet. Health benefits. A plant-based diet has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including reducing the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer, promoting weight loss and improved gut health, potential nutrient deficiencies. While a plant-based diet can provide all the essential nutrients your body needs, it is important to be mindful of potential nutrient deficiencies, such as low levels of vitamin B12, iron, and calcium. To address these, consider consuming fortified foods, taking a daily multivitamin, and seeking the advice of a healthcare professional. In conclusion, a plant-based diet is a healthy and sustainable way of eating that emphasizes whole, minimally processed plant foods, while minimizing the consumption of animal products, processed foods, and added sugars.